Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically add new apps to home screen on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my home screen on my Android mobile phone, and first thing first, we have to tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen, and then go to the home screen setting, click on the setting, and here you just need to activate this feature, add new apps to home screen. You can click on the circle button to activate this feature, and right after you activate this feature, anytime you install application on your Android mobile phone, the application will be automatically added to your home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can automatically add new apps to home screen on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.